Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Part. Today's video we are going to fix the bumper guard for INEOS Grenadier. For the Australian market, the off-road accessory is very necessary, especially for the bumper guard. When we go outside for camping on the Rainbow Beach, a lot of kangaroo will jump out of the forest and jump off the road in the dark night. So bumper guard is the top sales products in the market, like the Australian and the USA. And this design we are going to fix today. Which step is much easier? Just remove the bumper cover in the front bumper, and then we screw the bumper to fix on the horse. So follow my videos and let's check how's the design and how to make upgrade based on this bumper tube to make it much more beast and stronger. 哇，真的好重啊，是确实很重。It's so heavy, huh? We still need to upgrade the products for the front bumper guard because the hole is not correct for the position of the front bumper. For the fixment, we adjust to fix the screws on the up one and the lower one. So which we need to upgrade is the bumper guard hole and also the shape and the welding details. So we can find all the fitment of the bumper guard is perfect, and we are thinking about to make some different about the design in the market. So if you have any suggestion, just leave me the messages and let me know for your suggestion and useful design in the market. So thank you very much for your watching, and we are looking forward to your comments on our YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.